your software that is crashing, your software keep crashing. This is the real reason. Take note, sit well and listen. The main causes that make your software to be crashing is that you have low RAM. Applications are not able to load with a small RAM installed on your computer. 4 GB or 2 GB or even 1 GB cannot open AutoCAD, cannot open ArchiCAD. It will crash. That means it will be stopping working. When you open, it will stop working. Secondly, corrupted files. You may have a file that a virus have crashed, or a virus have entered into the application. Costly when you want to open or you want to install, you will say corrupted file. Thirdly, outdated software. Many of you are not putting internet connection on your computer, and then many of those software are outdated. That means they are far from the new version. That means the updated version. The software knows, and then it will stop working. It will start crashing for you to update it up. So this is how to fix all the three issues. Restart your PC. Firstly, update the software either in the control panel or you high click on this PC, you say manage, and then from there you look at app that is not updated. When the computer management opens, go to device manager. It will list all the devices or the peripherals that are connected into your computer. You see, I have nothing that is missing as outdated. So everything in my computer is well done. If not, you would see a triangle yellow that will show you that there's a problem. So you update it and then you free some storage. You may have the storage that is full. You may have a storage that is full. As here, I have in red, I'm left with 6 GB. That means an apps, or if I open many multitasking apps, which need more than that 7 GB of space for it to open, and I have only 6.27 GB, it will crash and it will stop working until I free up space, until I either update the software or restart my computer. So follow it and then you will get your application into and correct. So on the next video, I'll show you more about fixing problems on computer. Thank you. Like, subscribe, comment and share the video. Thank you.